Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you a super easy way to merge PDF files in just a few clicks. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more quick and helpful tech tips. To get started, open your browser and go to ilovepdf.com. Click Merge PDF to open the tool. Then, click Select PDF Files and upload the files you want to combine. After that, hit Merge PDF, and voila! Your merged file is ready to download. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.